Are you a person who feels demotivated and would like to come out of the demotivation fast? Today I will be sharing perspectives from 3 people. One, my friend Amisha, and second, from the experience sharing of Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar. Third, from my spiritual mentor Lola Jones. First, when actually I was seeing that Amisha, she has spoken more than 600 talks. I was wondering how she could do it. What was the inspiring factor? She's she is going on speaking on a daily basis, a consistent speaker. I would love to speak consistently like that. How to get that energy? How to keep myself motivated consistently? So I asked her, what is your secret? How are you able to do so well? How are you doing every day such talks? Then she shared some of her why factors. And lot of why factors matched with what my inner core beliefs were. Then I could realize, yes, once we know our why factor, why we are doing that activity, we automatically get the motivation back. Second is, I heard about experience sharing of Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar. He also has got a lot of ups and downs in life. He was sharing so much, even that when he's going through when there's a down phase, he was feeling very demotivated, discouraged, depressed. But that time, his brother Mr. Saurabh Bhatnagar actually sent feedback forms to 16 of his team members. And those team members gave such encouraging, inspiring, so they were telling how they were so much inspired, how they were so much encouraged, how their life took a different turn because of his guidance. And then Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar automatically got that encouragement, inspiration to move on. And now he's at the top. He is totally he has not only transformed his life, he is instrumental in transforming the lives of so many people. So really, so that is the learning point is there are always some people whom we have helped or who would have been benefited by us or somebody who would have encouraged us. When we tune on to that encouragement and inspiration, it automatically motivates us to do more. In between, when I was not making some videos, my relatives, my friends, some of them, they asked, when are you again going to make your videos? It automatically encouraged me. Yes, there are people who are listening, who are watching. Definitely I would love to give some more. Some of them were sharing their feedbacks, in their comments and their appreciation, honest feedback. Just very heart touching. If I can touch the lives of some more people, it would be really good. So that was another motivation. So generally, in your life also, there may be ups and downs, but there are always some good aspects of life where some people have encouraged us, inspired us, or some motivated us. There was some good pleasant interactions with other people. When you recollect that, then automatically seeing that encouragement from others, you automatically get the motivation. And third is from my spiritual mentor, Lola Jones. So if you are feeling demotivated, it's completely okay. It is just a low phase. But low phase is just a temporary phase. But that phase itself can become the turning point for you. That is how it's possible if you are able to embrace the emotions. So that's why I am going to share this vibrational scale. Actually, from the lower scale of the emotions, it's all emotions like sadness, depression, grief, regret, fear. All these are lower emotions. And the tipping point is the emotion of anger. When you feel really anger, enough of these low emotions, I would like to go up. When you feel that, instead of having resistance to the emotions, what Lola Jones says is, accept it, embrace the emotion. If you are feeling demotivated, it is okay. If you are feeling discouragement, you are feeling frustration, it is all, you need resist that. When you are feeling resisting to all the negative emotions, that gets suppressed. And in future it can again come back in a bigger form. Instead of that, what to do? You can just embrace even those negative emotions. Accept it, embrace it. Then what happens? You rise up. What they say, the tipping point. You go above the tipping point. And the tipping point is when they come to acceptance of all the emotions as it is, you come to self-esteem, your interest, your courage comes up. You start seeing possibilities. You start becoming curious. Let me see how it will turn out. and we go on to higher and higher emotions. The highest emotions like ecstasy, joy, bliss, all that is the higher emotions. Automatically you start progressing towards those higher emotions. How it is possible? When you go and accept all even the lower emotions, then you go up the higher emotional scale. So if you are feeling demotivated, it is completely okay. But it is not okay to stay down. It is essential to come up. Start seeing the possibilities of what all can be done. How it is we can come up. So here I have shared today 3 tips. One is knowing the why factor. Second is get connected to the encouragement and inspiration, the motivation which you receive from others. And third is becoming one without emotions. Even the lower emotions, if you are able to have acceptance, you automatically rise up the vibrational scale. So if you are feeling demotivated, you can again come back to your motivational, encouraged, inspired state. So keep on encouraging, keep on inspiring everyone around you. And if you like this video, do like, share and comment. It will encourage me to create much more videos. And also you can subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified of all the videos that I make. Thank you so much.